Hey, what's up everyone? Today, I'm gonna be installing my brake booster. I just got this back from Driftmotion. I got it rebuilt. Only took like 2 weeks. So, I'm pretty happy. Decided, since I'm waiting on a bunch of stuff, and I was changing the master cylinder, and this brake booster is original, I might as well just get it rebuilt. So yeah, I couldn't find a gasket anywhere for this thing. I went to AutoZone. So I picked this up. Oh wow. Well, I hope this will work. I guess the guy grabbed the wrong one. Oops. Water pump, water inlet. Basically, well, I mean, I guess that's good because it's only gonna be sending water out. So anyway, if you want to get the same stuff, this is the part number. I really wanted the smaller sheet, but I realized he grabbed the big one. Which is okay. If I mess up, I can always cut a new piece out. So yeah, I'm just gonna go through, cut it out a little bit bigger, measure it, and then just cut the proper holes. So let's get to it. Okay guys, I'm actually pretty glad I got a bigger piece of that gasket material, because I thought the master cylinder came with one, but it didn't. Alright guys, I just got done installing the brake booster and master cylinder, as you can see here. Oh, looks so good. What I ended up doing, since I have these plugs on the master cylinder, I just taped off these brake lines for right now. I also taped off the ones down here, right up there. But yeah, it's starting to look like an engine bay again. It's getting close. So that's gonna do it for me today. It's gonna be getting dark here soon, so decided to wrap it up. Anyway, if you guys like the video, go ahead and leave a like. If you want to follow my build and any other videos I put out, I also put out shorts. Go ahead and subscribe and smash that bell. Anyways, take it easy guys.